Hi, I'm Glenn with G's Ukulele, and this round we're going to keep it simple and make it fun. In this case, it's going to go and just strum and use a pattern that I've been able to use for different songs or tunes or whatnot. And it's basically a C. I don't know what that chord is, but it's right next to the C. And then it's this one. So it's the third fret, or first fret, third string, second fret, second string. And that's it. And I kind of pick like I'm doing a bass guitar. So here's how it sounds. Okay, so I forgot, this is G7. So C, next chord, this chord, that chord. And that's it. And then when I'm doing this, I'm actually taking my arm here and kind of muting it. And I find that any one of these patterns or progressions seem to work. I mean, you can kind of pick any string down here or all of them, and they all sound good. At least they sound good. So okay, so here it is again. All right, so that's an easy one. And the A and A something. All I did there was just kind of add that one to it. All I need is a little air, some for me, some for everywhere. All I need is a little sun, some for me. All right. All right, that was fun. So that it said. You can mute. All right, that was fun.